pork is a kind of important meat on the tables of Chinese people. The stable supply and food safety of pork directly influence people's health and well-being. It plays a critical role in livelihood projects. However, the outbreak of African swine fever in 2018 had a strong impact on China's pig production. It caused an acute shortage of pigs in China. National ministries and commissions have introduced support policies to encourage large-scale pig breeding companies to enlarge production so as to ensure pork supply. EI Farming has explored animal husbandry for decades. We are committed to providing pig farms with advanced concepts, project design, support equipment, and engineering services. Our engineers start work from clients' project drawings, make scientific plannings for the overall pig farm layouts, equip various types of pens, air filtration and deodorization systems, feed supply and feeding systems, environmental control systems, and other equipment for pig farms, providing professional engineering, construction, and technical services for pig breeding companies. Good project supporting service and construction quality help our company upgrade abilities to serve large-scale pig breeding companies. Environmental controller is the core of environmental control in pig farms. Our independently developed EI2100 and EI6100 environmental controllers take the environment controllers as the center and coordinate various supporting equipment, offering pig production on the environment with suitable temperature, humidity, light, and air to meet the requirement of pig growth. Based on the feeding parameters recorded on the controllers and the monitoring data of pig growth status, etc., breeders can make analysis and corresponding decisions to improve the management and feeding quality of pigs. We accurately calculate ventilation rate in pig farms to offer a reasonable combination of various types of fans. The fiberglass reinforced plastics fan developed by our company independently has obtained U.S. Best Laboratory certification of excellent performance. Combination of fans and cooling pads is an economically effective cooling measure for pig farms in summer. It minimizes the effect of high temperature on pig production. Roller curtains are fixed on the exterior of cooling pads for ventilation in summer and sealing and heat preservation in winter. Sliding plate air intakes are fixed on the internal walls of the corridor to achieve a double effect of ventilation in summer and heat preservation in winter. Air dispersion ducts made of special flame retardant fiber jet the air through nozzles. Uniform air supply is suitable for ventilation of pig farms in winter. EI Farming continuously optimizes the environmental control system for pig farms. The design method of simulation helps establish a complete environment control and ventilation system. For the continuous impact of viruses such as porcine reproductive and respiratory syndrome and African swine fever on pig farming, it is particularly important to conduct a comprehensive and effective biosecurity system in pig farms. The combination of air filtration system and the deodorization system make waste air exhausted from pig farms reach environmental protection standards. The air filtration system can effectively prevent airborne viruses from entering pig farms to improve the air cleanliness in pig farms. The initial filtration walls in sow houses are with good effect of air filtration and epidemic prevention. Sealing filtration system is used in negative pressure ventilation mode for ventilation and filtration of pig farms under lower temperature. The wind protection netting can prevent the entry of wind and sand and mosquitoes, etc., from entering pig farms through cracks in fan covers. The highly efficient filtration walls in bore stations can filter 0.3 μ aerosol or particulates with a long-term purification efficiency more than 95%, prevent African swine fever and influenza viruses effectively. Also PRRS, PCV2SD, and other pathogens. EICC deodorization system adopts biological and chemical treatment methods. The spiral spray method is used to deodorize odor at the end of pig farms to make the exhausted air meet the air emission standards of breeding industry and to prevent the harmonious development of pig farms and surrounding environment. We pursue perfect delivery of each project with our professional and considerate services. The engineering, construction, and technical services are the advantages our company is proud of. The enterprise spirit and responsibility of state-owned enterprises jointly guarantee the qualities of projects. Our project team takes the project delivery dates as a deadlines, aims to pass inspections at the very first time. Our company has won trust and praise of multiple leading pig breeding companies. The silk banners and letters of appreciation reflect the recognition of our engineering services. At present, EI Farming takes integrated solution for intelligent breeding projects as the leading, focuses on the digitalization, intellectualization, and intelligent transformation of the breeding industry chain, commits to providing EI Farming solutions for the sustainable development of pig breeding industry all over the world.